Okay, let's see what's the difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP today. So I have a data set here where I got a product and it's a product category and its unit prices here. So the scenario here is I have few products here. I need to go and find out the product category and unit prices from this data set. Okay. So I'm going to do the same exercise using two functions, the VLOOKUP function and XLOOKUP function. Okay. Let us start with VLOOKUP. So for this product, I need to go and find out the product category. Okay, so if you all know the basic of VLOOKUP, the answer we are looking for must be on the right from the lookup value. So in this case, the product category is actually located on the left from the product. So I have to create a helper column so that I can look up for the product category for this product. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to copy this product category and put it here as a helper column. All right, so now it's done. So let me go and use VLOOKUP to get the product category for this product. So VLOOKUP. So if you see the first argument here is lookup value. Of course, my lookup value is jersey. So the table array, so from product, and my answer is located in this column product category. So if you see, the column is actually third column. Yeah, so I have to put the column index number as 3. Okay, then it's an exact match. So I need to exactly match the product category for this jersey. So then let's see. Okay, then let me copy down the formula. But you see here it's NA. So let's say the scenario here is I do want to see NA here. Instead of NA, I want the formula to return saying that other product category for this mask. Right. So for me to return other here, I have to use another formula here, which is if NA. All right. So if NA, I want the formula to return other as the product category. All right, so now let me copy down the formula again. Yep, so you see for mask, since the mask is not listed in this product list, it has written the product category as other. All right, so let me go and find out the unit price for this product. So for unit price, if the price is not found, I want the formula to return 0. So let me do the VLOOKUP formula first. So I'm looking up for the lookup value is jersey and I'm looking up for the unit price. So from product, I'm looking for unit price. Then the third argument is column index. So my answer is in this column number 2, then exact match. All right. So let me copy down the formula. So if you see, since mask is not listed, again here it has written NA. So I do want to see NA here. Instead of NA, I want the formula to return 0 value. So for this, it's the same formula. If NA, if the product is not listed here or not found, the unit price is not found, I want the formula to return 0. All right. So if NA, then I want the formula to return 0. And let me copy down the formula again. Yeah, it's 0 now. So this is what I want to achieve, and I have managed to achieve using VLOOKUP. So basically, for us to return, let's say the answer is not found in the data set, then I have to use if NA, the second formula, to get a return remarks. Yeah. So if you see in XLOOKUP, basically Microsoft Excel, they have combined these two requirements or two formulas in one XLOOKUP. So let us do the same exercise in using XLOOKUP. Okay. So first, I need to go and find out the product category for this product. So if you see in VLOOKUP, I have to create another helper column or copy again the product category here so that I can VLOOKUP the product category for this product. But for XLOOKUP, I don't really need to do that. Yeah. So let me put the XLOOKUP formula. So if you see, the first argument is lookup value, similar as VLOOKUP. Then the next one is lookup array. So basically, for jersey, I need to give the input to the formula. The jersey is located in this column. So this product column, right? And the third argument is return. So return array. So I just need to tell the formula, okay, my answer is actually in this column. So basically, you return the answer from this column. So that's my return array. Okay. And the fourth one is basically if the answer is not found, what to return. So basically, if you see in VLOOKUP, we have used if and a to get this done. But here, they have already incorporated that function here. So if not found, for product category, I want to return other. All right. So other, then close parenthesis. So if you see here, I copy down the formula. Yeah, it's straight away other. So I no need to go and put another formula to get the answer of other here for mask. So let us do the same thing to find out the unit price. So again, X lookup value is jersey, and jersey is located in this product column. Okay, and the return array is the answer I'm looking for, which is the answer is located in this column. All right. And if the answer is not found, I want Excel to return 0. So 0. Okay, this one done. Yeah, if you see here, it's 0. So the answer is exactly same, but it's much more easier in XLOOKUP. So in XLOOKUP, if you notice, we never created a helper column to get the product category for this product. So that's the first point. We have improved or make the whole process simplified in XLOOKUP. So the second one is if a value is not found, we can straight away input the return remarks in the same formula. So this is the significant difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP.